Good news. Thank you to some loyal customers. We're empty again. Got to go fill it up. Hey guys, Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. As you just saw, we've been blessed to sell out of bundles again. I'm only putting like 7 bundles in there. Maybe I'll try to get a few more. But I got the Venmo notification and we're empty again. So I'm going to make some more on the John's Welding Bundler. Again, my wood is not really bundle grade. It's thicker, pieces. So I'm going to have to split some down. This is well seasoned wood, but I'm going to split it down just so it'll be good for fire pits and stuff like that. I got a few bundles worth already made, so I'm going to bundle them and then I'll split the stuff. I kind of stacked it on top of them, so see how it goes. That's hickory, obviously. I didn't have as much as I thought. All right, that'll work. Hey, while I'm splitting there, and I'll be wrapping some bundles here in a minute, I just wanted to do a quick voiceover and say hey to everybody and just tell you that I'm having a really good time with this firewood stand. I obviously, as you can see behind me there, wasn't prepared for this. I had enough firewood this year for for our wood stove for this winter and everything like that, but I had focused on hay this year and kind of let firewood be secondary for sure. So I wasn't really prepared to sell a lot of firewood at all. But it came up, and I couldn't, pass it up as I saw my neighbors were selling their little stand. So I got the John's Welding Bundler out here. As you can see, it worked perfectly fine. Love that bundler, and I'm having fun with it. It takes me just a few minutes. This, of course, is a time lapse, but it didn't take me, about 10 minutes to make 10 bundles or something like that. I got the bundles ready to go. And then try to figure out how to fit 10 in here. You'll see it takes me a couple times to figure out how to put 10 in here. Lacey stops. You can see her driving by there. And then my neighbor who's surprised us, there he is. He surprised us. He's kind of a jack of all trades. He's renovating our chicken house for Lacey as a surprise. So thank you, neighbor, for that. We appreciate it. All right, I got them finally jammed in there. My wife and my neighbor stopped by. So I didn't get to show you loading those up. I fit 10 in there. The lady who just sold out, we just sold out again, there were 7 in there. And she said, do you have any more? And I didn't have any more. So I tried to fit at least 10 in this time. I just made 10. So I appreciate everybody watching. I'm very thankful for all the customers we've had. and we'll see you next time. Thank y'all very much.